just want to give you guys a heads up. My store did not put any tags up right now, so I'm going to try to give you guys the deals without the tags, but I do have the written down. But the first deal you guys see right here is the L'Oreal Elvive. It is 2 for $8. You can see right here in the ad. There is a 2 off of 2 coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet, so you guys want to use that. Plus I have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, making them $1 a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. Fructis is currently on sale for 2 for $7. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use, making them $3 or just $1 or $2 a piece if you guys want to do that. But it's up to you if you need to do that. The whole blends is on sale right now for $3.99. There's currently a $2 off digital coupon, making them $1.99. Right now they have the Ajax actually on sale for 99 cents, but you guys can see the tag right here for $1, so you save 1 penny. And then they also have the Palmolive dish soap, also 99 cents, and you guys could get it for that too. Okay guys, so the Scott's paper towels, the toilet paper, and the Kleenexes are always $5. You guys can pay $5. But currently they are on sale with some coupons, so we do have a $1 digital coupon, plus we have a $1.25 coupon that's in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys can get that. You'd basically get them for $2.75, which is a great deal. You guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. So please keep in mind, you get the paper towels. You can also get the $5 toilet paper, and you can also get the $5 Kleenex is, I gotta find it, but they have the $5 Kleenex, which is right here. The next deal you guys could do is the General Mills deal. They're currently on sale for $1.99. Now we do have a $1 off of 2 coupon that you guys can use, so you would technically pay $2.98. But then I just checked our Saving Star app, you guys, and we actually have a $1 off of 2. It's not going to focus, but we do have a $1 off of 2. So you guys would basically get these for $1.98. Basically 99 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. So this Mentos Breath Mints are currently on sale for $1.29. You guys would pay $1.29 for this, but you would get a $1.29 registry reward. You guys can do this deal as many times as you want. You just need to do separate transactions, and you also do not want to use that registry rewards to do the same deal. You want to just keep playing it separately. You can also pay with points for this deal. So here's the deal you guys can do. The Old Spice is currently on sale, 2 for $10. There is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. There's also a coupon in the P&G ad. You guys want to go ahead and do that. You would pay $8 for this, or $9 for this. But then you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Reward, or to Ibotta, and you guys will get $2 back times 2, plus you will get a $4 register reward, basically making them out to be $1, so 50 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal on that. Next deal you guys can do if you need to do it, but the Purex laundry detergent is currently on sale for 3 for $6. You guys could get the pods, you can get the liquid, and then you guys can also get the crystals, I think. Yeah, also all about $2 a piece, which is a pretty decent deal if you need to do that. Next thing you guys can do is the nice bags. They are currently on sale for $2.79. They are buy one, you get 2 free, so you guys would pay $2.79, but then you basically get them for for 93 cents a piece. The Dixie plates are currently $3.99. They are on sale for buy one get one 50% off. We do have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can end up using. You would pay $4.98 or just get them for $2.49 a piece. Now usually you can choose between these plates, I think these ones, and then the bowls, so if you need to do that.